The Product Information File, PIF. Legally required. The EU Cosmetics Regulation Article 11.1 says, when a cosmetic product is placed on the market, the responsible person shall keep a product information file, or PIF, for it, meaning there is an obligation to have a PIF linked to the product. RP must keep the PIF at his EU address, available for inspection for a period of 10 years. But what is a product information file? While it may be referred to as EU dossier or technical file, it is the set of technical documentations required for each and every cosmetic product to be placed on the EU market. It must be readily accessible to the EU competent authorities at the EU address of the RP. It must be in the national language or a language easily understood by the competent authority of the RP in electronic or other format. It must be kept for a minimum period of 10 years. It must be updated when necessary. Its aim is to serve as evidence of compliance with the requirements of the EU Cosmetics Regulation. As such, it is clear that keeping a product information file at the EU address of the RP is legally required. But what should such a file contain? Article 11 specifies the elements that must be present within any PIF. Product description, characteristics and intent of use. Cosmetic Product Safety Report, or CPSR, which includes safety information, Part A, and safety assessment, Part B. Method of manufacturing and GMP, by EN/ISO 22716. Proof of effect claimed, when required. Data on animal testing. Labeling. Let's focus on the CPSR. Part A. Safety information will include the formula, exact percentage, physicochemical, microbiological, and toxicological specifications of the raw materials and finished product, information on impurities and traces, information on the preservative system, information on packaging and compatibility, information on stability and period after opening, information on undesirable and serious undesirable effects. Part B. Safety assessment will include safety assessment conclusion, scientific reasoning leading to the conclusion, labeling warning and instructions for use, safety assessor signature, and safety assessor credentials. Important note: the safety assessment must be performed by a qualified person, meaning a person possessing an EU degree in a relevant discipline, chemistry, toxicology, medicine, etc., and professional experience. How to compile a PIF. In order to compile a PIF, the manufacturer should use the support and cooperation of his suppliers, raw material and production, laboratories, challenge, stability, and other tests, safety assessor, and last but not least, a professional responsible person, RP. When to start using the RP? See below the graphical representation. We recommend not to start working on the PIF without your RP. Otherwise, the manufacturer risks the need to redo his PIF due to incorrect actions. Make sense? Here is the timeline. To EU process, PIF included. Step 1. RP mandate with brand owner, 1 to 2 weeks. Step 2. Setup, suppliers and labs, 1 to 2 weeks. Step 3. PIF compilation, per product, 3 to 6 months. Step 4. CPNP notification, 1 to 2 weeks. Step 5. EU market, 1 day. The entire process takes between 4 to 8 months, depending on the readiness of the PIF. Questions? Need help? With years of experience in European responsible person services, Obelisk will be your European responsible person. Please visit this page for support: www.obeliskcosmetics.net/contact.